In this strange world of modern age, where chaos reigns upon the stage, I stand a pastor, belief in hand, for simpler times and virtues grand. I long for days of yore, it seems, my mother's world of gentler dreams, where life was clear, rose well defined, and freedom spoke with thoughts combined. Oh, once upon a time 'tis said, where Twitter rows lay dormant dead, when black was black and white was white, there was no grey and left weren't right. Oh, once upon a time they said, where Twitter rows lay dormant dead, and conversations flowed with ease, opinions shared, no one to please, no fear of being cancelled then, for voicing truths from heart to pen. A time where speech was truly free, embraced by all in harmony. In days gone by, not self-obsessed, no constant need to be the best, where intellect and reason thrived, and beauty's reign was not contrived. A world where wisdom bloomed and grew, and education's purpose true. Yet now it seems we've lost our way, forever learning, yet led astray. We're always learning, never grasping truth. The word of God, so clear, uncouth, with isms rising, schisms sown, a sane world now overthrown. Always learning, never grasping truth. The word of God, so clear, uncouth, with isms rising, schisms sown, a sane world now overthrown. In utter shame, disgust, despair, I feel isolated in my care. For if we speak and our heart lays bare, we'll face the backlash, cold and rare. The modern thinking, so flawed and skewed. In this new world, we're now imbued with men and women standing alone, as single parents and love's dethroned. Divorces rise like tides that surge. Our children teeter on the verge of failure's grasp, a future marred as families fracture, hurt and scarred. This quest for independence strong, to stand alone, it feels so wrong. For we were made in image true of God, who's interwoven through. This quest for independence strong, to stand alone, it feels so wrong. For we were made in image true of God, who's interwoven through the Trinity, united, bound in love and harmony profound. Yet we, his children, now defy the truth we should identify. The Trinity, united, bound in love and harmony profound. Yet we, his children, now defy the truth we should identify. Our nature calls for unity, a bond that strengthens and sets us free. Yet now we chase what's not innate and suffer from the self-made fate. We yearn for independence vast, but lose the essence of our past. The fabric of our human soul unraveling, we lose control. Let us return to truths of old, where unity and love took hold, and recognize that interwoven is who we are, God's image proven. We must reject the solo stance, embrace the bonds of love's romance, and strive to find our place again in harmony in God's love chain. This poem my refuge, safe and sound, where thoughts can flow, unbound, unwound, a place to share the bottled rage, my disapproval of this age. I know the world is fast asleep in its false wokeness and none to keep, and so I write to make them see the truth behind this tragedy. Millennials, listen, heed this call. Remember days before the fall, where life was simple, kind and fair, and people truly seemed to care. Let this long verse provoke your mind to seek a world that's more refined, a world of unity and grace, where love and truth together chase. Millennials, listen, heed this call. Remember days before the fall, when life was simple, kind and fair, and people truly seemed to care. Let this long verse provoke your mind to seek a world that's more refined, a world of unity and grace, where love and truth together chase.